Hey guys, so I am at this cupboard underneath where I want to keep I keep my coffees and I want to keep my cat food, so I know what I have. But yeah, I was just had YouTube on, and they're going live in England because the Queen is apparently dying, and we all knew she wouldn't last a year after her husband. How lucky was she to be with someone that I feel like people grow old together and miss each other. I think it's a blessing, but it's making me miss my mother. It's making me very emotional. My mother would be glued to this, and really my mother died before the Queen of England. So much older. But we have never missed a minute of weddings, of jubilees, of anything. So yeah, I don't know why, it just really made me emotional. So the whole country of England is going to be emotional. But yeah, so I thought, nope, let's do some of the stuff I said I would do. Out of the 4 things, I've knocked out 2. I've done my Ziplocs, I've done under my sink, and now I'm doing here. So let me move this camera around so you can kind of see. Yeah, so this is the cat. These are the bowls. I wish I didn't use them, but I just do. So, and these are a lot of pot holders. And this thing, to put something on. Sorry, the light is going to be crazy. So, these are just 2 of her cat foods. We have 2 flavors. This is like a pate, and then I have one with chicken, like with juice. So, I don't know. I have a tea kettle. I'm just not in the mood right now to get rid of stuff. So let me see what I can do coffee-wise. I've got lots of space here. So, like I say, I buy my coffee if it's $6.99, that's the best. But I just got a pumpkin coffee, and it was $7.99, which is still pretty good. Okay, so I have coffees up here. Now this thing, I need to find another place for. I use that in my lunch. So let's see here. Yeah, this is going to be a mess. Oops. And then I have 2 open coffees. So, put these here. Nope. Okay, let's put one here. Kind of keeps it. See, I just like to shove things. This is going to go with my other ones, which I don't know what to do with those either. So I have this here. Which I don't use, which I would like to use. So just a few okay, so let's see. Okay. So I still have 3 downstairs, but this goes to this thing back here. But this is not helping me with, hold on. I've got this thing. I gotta really do a massive, like, Tupperware-ish things haul. Whoa, okay. What is this? This was something I'm supposed to put in her food. But she doesn't appreciate that. And I swear to you, she knows it's there. Oh, good Lord, did I have an open one? No. Okay. So, so this is the turkey lovers. So right now, there's a lot of the feast on here. But I have 2 more of these. This is one of the covers I put on when I open it. Okay, I'll have this today. So I don't see this fitting here in any reasonable sort of way. I mean, do I need that tea kettle? I can't remember when I used it. But this has to be easy to get in and out of, because this is what I am going to be grabbing her food from. But maybe in the morning I can just take out the 2. Okay. Now, so these are just a lot of fun ones people have given me, which I like. Which are yeses. And that's when I have a hot plate. I could probably let this go to the food bank. And these are super good. Okay, so I guess that when I am getting out the food processor, shouldn't be that hard to get out. And when I refill the coffee, I just have to take the time to move everything, and then that took every day. Maybe. All right. What am I gonna do with this, y'all? Do I give it away? I don't know. Yeah, it's a maybe, and really maybe should be let go, right? Maybes are the killer. I'm trying to think. All of a sudden I'm going to want to make tea in a pot. I just use a microwave. I'm going to let it go. I'm going to let it go. This is going to go where my other things like this are, but that's not working. Don't worry about that today. It's fine for now. Okay. This thing, I do use it. Maybe if I put it here, give this more stability. Okay, yeah, that was dirt in there because I wanted to plant something in here, or I did, but it died. So there we are. Is that going to fall and make it all this fall? Okay, well for now, that seems precarious. So yeah, that's really like, there we go. If it can't shut the door properly. Okay, at least nothing can fall on anybody's head. Okay, so the next thing I'm tackling, I'm doing laundry. I don't know what happened, but I have many loads of laundry, and that's okay. Because I have today, I have Saturday and Sunday. So my goal is to do 3 a day. That will be 9 loads. And 3 being, I have them upstairs, folded, put away. Yeah, I'm capable. How lucky am I to have clothes to wash? Washing machine, a house. Change my attitude. Okay, you guys, so I have 25 things I want to go through. I think I'll do that next. And then I'm going to tackle what's on my table. And package things for friends and have all that dealt with, and what's going to work separated, and I don't want to put it in my cupboards. And then I'm probably going to go in the garage when my cleaners come and I want to clean out my car. I spilled protein shake, I'm working on that. And then I'm going to come back, and I'm going to back up a bunch of books that I'm letting go of, and eventually take those all to the garage and then just take them to work. Yeah, and by then it'll probably be time for a shower, relaxation, maybe a little facial, that kind of thing. So yeah, so that's what's happening. And yeah, I will see you in a little bit. And so sad about, I'm going to have the thing, I'm going to be watching about the Queen, y'all, and seeing when everyone comes. It's just, someone said to me, you talk a lot about your mom. And I do, she was really my partner. I was, 52 or 3 when she died. And, I stayed off college for maybe a year or two. But yeah, we really, she was. So all my memories, everything is really built with her in it. So, I guess letting this stuff go, maybe symbolic of that. And then, starting fresh stories, meeting new people, doing new things, having new stories. So yeah, that's the goal. I think it's a good one. But anyway, I love my mom, and I don't know if I'll ever not talk about her. I don't know if that I'm capable. But anyway, you guys, all prayers to everyone in England and the family that call her grandma, mom. I wish them all heartfelt, right? Okay. All right. Bye.